Hello, my name is myself Rishiraj Verma. So in this session, we'll talk about how we create a chatbot using your own data, using your own file. If I say chatbot now, creating it's very easy with low code, no code using the AI friendly smart and enable the GPT model to you. Use case. If I talk about a use case, let's say uh, you have some your Excel data reports, okay, and you build something like a chatbot where you just type anything, just write a prompt that what you required in that Excel and in that data part, and start giving you the result, just like a OpenAI. Like this way, you have created your own model for this, where you require no code, low code. But previously, earlier before, we use Python, we use R, we use machine learning to create a chatbot, where we require lots of heavy codes we require to cover this type of chatbot, which is I also been faced this type of issues, and like me, like other student also face this type of problematics part. But now the chatbot and now the AI friendly is being enabled with us so that we can prepare our own chatbot using the AI friendly with low code, no code part. Let's see how. So we have a multiple of tools and technologies here in the market. If I talk about once you enter into corporate world, you will get lots of opportunity to explore, but very common part is a Copilot Studio. That's the one. But in this session, we are not going to cover the Copilot Studio because it comes with licensing part and some other restrictions part. So for now, we are going to learn into a chat base, which is very low code, no code AI model, and we create our own chatbot for the let's say for the healthcare reports. I have a one dummy healthcare data, okay, where the all their report of blood test sample, heart rate test sample are be there in that report. We try to build some chatbot using that AI model and see what result I can grab and I can use it here. That's all. Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen. Here you can see the chat base. The chat base is very easy to log in. You can log in with your own Gmail address. You just go and log in, and you can come to this UI UX with me. So before launching this exercise, let's talk about what is chat-based concept. So chat-based is a no-code, low-code, an AI chatbot platform. It allows to create a chatbot using your own data. Data can be your PDF, Excel, your CSV, web URL, text document. The chatbot answer question only from the uploaded knowledge. What knowledge we are giving them, they can give you the answer to that area also. Okay. Just like we train a person using notes, we train a chatbot using that documents. And that document has a very heavy, you can give the very heavy document, they can give you the answer based on the document you can see. The use case. It could be a clear why we are using this chatbot. The chatbot we are using because of the customer support bot, HR policy bot, trainings and courses bot, company SOP bot, product FAQ, and other things we can prepare based on this parts. If I talk about the what architecture is required to build up this part, it required my user questions, chat base. It just click on the chat button and chat base. It will redirect to my uploaded knowledge, whatever the uploaded knowledge we have given to them, and it will give you the AI answers part. No internet guessing, nothing. It will be showcased. It will be completely based on the knowledge which we have provided to them. Okay. The setup is I clearly mentioned that it's a login using Gmails. You can just go and simply log in this part and you can start working on this. That's a very basic and simple which we can use and we can do it in the chat based part. As I mentioned earlier, Python we are using largely. We can, but here we are working on a genetics parts here. The technology is been evolving, so we are evolving into genetics AI and we are building a chatbot based on this one. Let's see our examples part here. No. Okay. So I'll just added one URL link here. Okay. Let's see what URL link I added here. I added a Times of India link here. I simply go here. Just write a Google. I use a Times of India. I search here I go here, I just copy it and I paste it here. That's it. I did not done anything else apart of this part. Okay, I'll go again on files. I'll just click open it here. I'll go on desktop again. I'm language chatbot. I have one dummy health report with us. I click on open. It is uploading my dummy health report. It's a medical health report which I uploaded. I just click it. Oh, sorry, it's not required. Mm, okay, the source is new. I think it's been uploaded. Yes, it's uploaded. One file is uploaded. Let's see. Yeah, it's uploaded and running it. And I'll just click and training continues. You have added 997 links, but for free is limited for a 10 link. You can upgrade it to a paid plan to use all, and your link will continue to your first 10 link. Okay, so it's mentioned that we have a 10 link because of free versions, which we are working on it. So continue with 10 links. Okay, because free version, so that's why. Now we are done with. We are good to go. We have created our chatbot here. Okay. Dummy health report. We can use a profile picture here. Looks good. I stay with primary color here. Confirm settings. Okay, everything is cool. It's very easy and simple to perform. I'll enter here. Hi. I start with hi. Okay. What is the level of sugar in the report? Let's see what result I can get. Okay, here see the fastest plasma glucose level is in the report is 92 something, which is considered normal according to American Diabetic Associated. If you have more questions, see. Okay, I'll ask more questions. Is there any concern in the report? Basal chloride help with vitamin D, the level of this one, vitamin 12 is this one, correlated lipid is good, serum is good, and so on. These observations suggest area that you may require area that you may require further clinical correlation, follow the health kit. If you have any further question, acha, okay. This is not giving me exactly yes or no, it's just giving me the factual data, which is making sense. Okay, now I'll ask what is the age of patient? The age of patient. Let's see. Okay, the name and given. Okay, it's tell me health report. Okay, okay, that looks perfect. So this is what we have created a prompt, and the getting the answer same like a chat GPT, and we are getting this thing accordingly. Okay, okay. Now next question we ask: do we have idea for news in times of India? So yeah, yes, see the UPI, the link which you have connected with them, the Times of India. So they are suggesting that new UPI transaction limit, wallet Modi, Ratan Tata dies. Okay, but this is what they are been hitting this part. If I say this correct news, let's see what news for cracking Mayuti. because we have the limited 10 links which we have provided initially. So maybe that's why this information is not being populating. So what information you have in the Times of India? So they have a news of news, technology, entertainment, latest news. What are the latest date news you have? Looks interesting. Okay. And in between, I asked what is the blood sugar in my body. I am trying to make it confused. Let's see if this chatbot will make have confusion. You see? No, so let be specific. What is the sugar in the report? Now I'll see if we take get confused or not. Yeah, because I asked the wrong question in my body. This not make any sense. So yeah, what is sugar in that report? So they ask. So yeah, they are not being confusing. So I have connected with two parts. One is part is being connected with my one-time health report, and second one is connected with the Times of India URL. Both have been tested and run it, and it's been correctly been working fine. Okay, and the model is GPT 4.0, which we have currently been working. Okay, and you just need to save an agent here, and you can share with the or you can use it for the long run part. If I try to change the name, by any chance I can change the name, agent names. So this agent is ready. Okay, and yeah, we'll see in the next class of the checklist part.